What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're going to go through the start of getting your basically side hustle secrets into your account set up so you can use that mini course and get paid. Use my videos in place and just roll with it. You know what I mean? So what we're talking about here is actually probably it's the must-have steps for this whole thing to work, pretty much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share this. So what I'm talking about is setting up your Clickfunnels account. Now, why Clickfunnels? Now, when you do this, you are going to go to my affiliate link. Yes, you will. It is just the way it happens. That's the whole nature of the beast. If you guys have learned anything over this past, couple of videos, you should understand that you don't need to get paid from the person. You get paid from the company. This is the start of it. So why Clickfunnels? Clickfunnels is a phenomenally powerful software tool that does like everything you could ever need just about. They have two different programs. You're going to go through here and pick what's relevant to you. I'm going to say affiliate's going to be relevant, and then you're going to go for a friend. I see Clickfunnels everywhere, other whatever. 0 to 2 years. I don't have a funnel yet. Oh my God. I just want to show them stuff. So the reason why they do this is because it tailor makes everything for you. So this is it. It's like, whoa, okay, cool. So you can go through and actually then go, all right, who am I talking to? What's this all about? I would click send a messenger, and it should redirect me. Boom, boom. And it's like just straight into it. There's a little bit of a story about Sarah and her story, basically. You can hear why people are using it. Basically, that's the whole point of it. All you're going to do is go boom. Click. Now there's going to be pay monthly, pay annually. You can see the difference. Depending on where you are in your business career, I would suggest doing the full suite. It just allows you to do a lot more cool stuff. But at the same time, you can go up and down at any time. I would at least do this. You're going to go your $97 a month one, because it's just like the process of building funnels itself. At the moment, that's all I'm using. I've actually went away from. So ClickFunnels has 3 components to its full suite. There's ClickFunnels, which builds all the landing page software. That is the landing page software. There's Actionetics and Actionetics MD, which is like the ability to be able to follow up autoresponders, move people around on different lists and stuff like that. There's that. And then there's the Backpack, which is basically an affiliate program. Now, I manage actually quite a few different accounts. I build funnels for different businesses and I would highly suggest going for the full suite if you can. I also understand that for a lot of you guys, you're probably starting out and you're like, how the fuck do I even do this? Hence the reason why I say go for the $97 one. And I've actually put in, as we go through this process, you'll see an automation share that will allow straight from active campaign, which I think it starts at like $20 a month. Bit of a difference between, $117 a month for all your landing page software, email autoresponders, that gives you power and flexibility to, $297. Do you know what I mean? So either way, so you're going to go through and create your account. That's all you got to do to get started. All right. So don't overcomplicate shit. Just go and create your account, get started with it, and then move on to the next step. So we're going to create the account, and then I'm going to show you how to import it into your account, and then what we need to do and go into actually edit inside of the actual funnel itself. And then from there, we're going to go into where do we find our affiliate links and all this sort of stuff in that same video. All right, guys. So make sure you go and get signed up for your 14-day free trial. Jump onto the jump onto the next video, and I will show you how to quickly edit it and get things up and running ASAP before the end of this day, whatever day it is for you. You will be able to have your side hustle secrets up and running. That's my goal for you. All right, guys. So I'll see you on the next one. And remember, screw status quo.